on how to use an app called Mug Life. Now, for this video, you are going to be downloading an app called Mug Life. So the first thing you need to do is go into your Play Store and search for a Mug Life. Alright, and I've already downloaded it, so go ahead and download it. Of course, now that I've downloaded it, it's asking for an update. So go ahead and download it, and once you've downloaded it, it's going to open this emoji that is surprised. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, and this is the main menu of Mug Life. Alright, so the first thing is going to take time for it to load. But I've already opened it, so it's already done. So as you can see, these are all different types. These are different or other types of creations of other people. So you can go ahead and click on the one you want. I'm going to click on this one. Alright, so like a silly. Alright, and it's going to go ahead and take time. Alright, so this is silly. These are the different types of projects that have been done. So I'm going to choose one. Let's see, which one have I chosen? I also accidentally clicked on one, so I've chosen one. Alright, okay, so it's this one. Yeah, I think I'll go ahead and I'll go with this one. So as you can see, this one's creation is a bit weird because this part is also moving. I don't know why that is moving, and there's also some eyes blinking here too. That's kind of weird. See, you can see that the eyes are blinking. Yeah, okay, that's weird. Anyway, I didn't know that. Why would that happen? It's like, I think this is for two faces. But anyway, this is somebody else's creation, so I don't know about that. Anyway, so you can go ahead and create your own. So I'm going to click on a photo. You can use your camera roll. I'm going to click on the gallery. I have a picture right here which I want to choose from. Alright, so this is the one we have. Okay, so this is what you have. This is the picture. As you can see, I'm nodding my head, which is not much other than just nodding my head. So there's this one. Yes, 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 yes. Alright, so that's me saying that, and then you also have the blah 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 blah. Alright, and you also have what else? You have this one. Nope, 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 nope. And the cool thing is, as you can see, there's Donald Trump there saying nope, which is someone else's creation. And then there's also this one. Who are you? Wait, who are you? Alright, and then there's also this one, which you have to, I'm going to go ahead and bum 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 bum. Alright, and there's the tongue wish. Okay, so as you can see, Joker did that in the movie. Alright, so there's many more which you can choose from. You can also go ahead and click on this 3 dots here, and then it'll open way more. Okay, and you can go ahead and choose one which you want. I don't know, I think I'll go with this cat one. It kind of looks nice, so it's going to go ahead and load. So there you go. So this is the one you have. Alright, I don't see me doing anything other than just rolling my eyes around. As you can see, I'm just rolling my eyes around, which is not really much to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose another one. So you can also choose different ones. I'm going to go ahead and choose let's see, which one? Can we go for makeup? Nah, I think I'll go for this one. Yeah, I think I'll go for makeup. Alright, so click on makeup. Now, as you can see, it says hashtag makeup, but the creation is for makeup, but what you actually do is not for makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one. As you can see, we have a cool one right here. We have it as well. Okay, so there are many more. Alright, so we're going to choose one. Oops, sorry. Alright, so okay, so this is the one for it. Alright, so as you can see, it's very creepy. Oof, that is creepy. But what I don't like about this one is that, as you can see, the teeth don't match. And the face doesn't match either. So that's kind of weird. Anyway, so that's someone else's creation. I don't really know about that. So go ahead and click on your photo and gallery again and go ahead and search for the one you want. I'm going to click on this one, the blue one, and there you go. So I'm saying hi or hi. Hi. Alright. So that's what you can do for with Mug Life. You can create memes, you can create different emotions like oh my. Alright, or you can say who are you? Or you can do bum 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 bum. Alright, and you can do nope. Nope. Or you can do like a fart. Okay, that's kind of weird. I'm not going to do a sound effect for that. That's weird. Okay, so blah 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 blah. And then there's yes. 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 Alright, so as you can see, it is perfect with my mouth. The lips and everything are perfect. Okay, so that's cool. So that's pretty much it for this video.
Now I hope this tutorial was helpful for you on how to use an app called Mug Life. So if it was, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications, and help support the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, like the video, comment down below if this video was helpful for you, and also go ahead, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my second channel, UL World, link will be in the description. So will be my Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hasta la vista.